Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Biryani can be prepared in innumerable ways, and today I'll show you how I made fried chicken Thalassery style biryani. To start with, 1 kg chicken cut into biryani type pieces is marinated with a pinch of salt, turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and is kept aside for at least 20 minutes. Then 3 big onions are deep fried until brown in color, taking care not to burn them. A handful of cashew nuts and raisins are also deep fried and kept aside. By the time the chicken pieces get marinated, the other ingredients are kept ready. The marinated chicken pieces are then deep fried in oil. At the same time, 2 big onions are sauteed in ghee until they become soft and translucent. A tablespoon of ginger garlic and green chilies crushed is added and sauteed until the raw flavor goes off. Next, 2 tomatoes go in and are cooked well by covering the pot. Meanwhile, whole spices for the masala are powdered. The ingredients are available in the description. A handful of fresh chopped mint and coriander leaves are also added. Next goes in 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1.5 spoons of biryani masala powder, and everything is mixed well. To this is added 5 tablespoons of thick coconut milk, which gives a special flavor. Once the coconut milk blends well, the chicken pieces are added and also 1 teaspoon of lemon juice goes in. The pot is covered and all the ingredients are allowed to blend well with the masala. After around 6 minutes, half of the fried onions are added into this, and once again everything is combined well, taking care to not smash the chicken pieces. This is then allowed to cook for 2 minutes and then kept aside. To make the ghee rice, 3 tablespoons of ghee are melted and into it is added a few fennel seeds, cardamom, pepper, cloves, and then goes in a large onion sliced. Once the onion turns soft, in goes 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger garlic and green chili, followed by a tomato. When the tomatoes are also cooked, 700 grams of jeera rice, which was previously washed and drained, is added and roasted. Water is added in the ratio of 1:1.5 cups. That means 1.5 cups of water for 1 cup of rice. Take care to add only boiling water, followed by a tablespoon of biryani masala powder. The rice is then cooked on simmer for 8 minutes. Once the rice is cooked, it is then layered for the dum process. Half of the chicken masala is taken off and the rice along with the fried nuts and raisins and onions is layered over the chicken. The pot is then covered airtight and kept on an old pan on low heat for at least 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, I opened the pot and was tempted to have it right there itself from the aroma of the biryani. Trust me, this recipe is a go-to for any special occasion. Do try this recipe and let me know how you like it. I'll meet you in another video. Until then, bye bye, take care.